my name is Rayhan and today I'm working on an LG microwave. Today I'm replacing the noise filter on it. So first, before we get into it, I'm going to show you the model number, which is located on the back of my unit today. Our model number is MSCN1590G. So if your noise filter doesn't have a fuse already, you want to add a fuse. We're going to open our microwave so we can replace our noise filter. Now we're going to remove our screw, just like this. We're going to put it to the side. Now we're going to remove our 4 back screws. Going to turn it. This. Our next screw is down here. Over here. Our last one on the back. Now, our last screw is right here. And then our panel should come off. We're just gonna lift our panel. Now it comes off and you can just put it to the side. And before you do anything, if your unit has a capacitor like this, you wanna discharge it. You're gonna need to get needle nose pliers and press these two together. And then it should make a spark. And make sure it has like something like to protect and not just metal, or else it will give you shock. So now we're gonna get our noise filter board. Our noise filter board is located right here. We're gonna, if you want, you could take a picture to remember where this wire is. So we're just gonna take it out. Just gonna wiggle it, and it should come off. There, it's held by a screw, and you're gonna need to take the screw off, just like this, like that. Move our ground wire that is connected to our filter board. Now, we're gonna use our same screw. We're just gonna put the motherboard just like this. And there's a little tab you need to insert it into. We're gonna get our ground. And we're gonna insert. We're just gonna put our screw inside of it, just like this. We're gonna line it up for us. And we're gonna put it back in, just like this. Just gonna make sure our wires are back in the right place. Just like insert, and it should make a click. Now we're gonna do our other one, another wire. We're just gonna insert like that. And now when you have inserted everything in, we're gonna, this is our old one. We can throw this in the trash or take it out for parts. And now we're gonna get our cover. Make sure this symbol is facing towards the unit. Now, you see these little tabs right here? No, these right here? You're gonna want it to insert it right through here, just like this. Like, this is my finger, it has to go through and insert in. Same thing for the sides. Just gonna do this. This might give you a little trouble, but it's okay. Now, you're just gonna push, and now we're gonna add our screws back. First screw. If you want it to line up, you're gonna wanna press down. Now, our next screw is right here. And now, you're gonna wanna push it to the side a little with our hands. Done. Now, our other side screw. Now, our second last screw, we're just gonna it's time for our last screw, and our unit has been fixed. Our unit should be fixed. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Share out my videos. We have a Facebook account named Hamid Appliances Repair, and we have a new TikTok account named Hamid Appliances Repair. Please follow it. Thank you for watching. Bye.